Troy Brown Jr. lost it, got it back, and Wooten sends it in. Culture next year. Pritchard got it, and he had a man in his face. Stopping, starting. Oh, there's the block by Wooten. Justice, pick, roll. Oh, again at the rim. Kenny Wooten. Post.
But what I mean by that is, like, look, if you're USC and you win that game, Cody Justice, 35 feet out.
It's a cutter. That's McIntosh. Rolling lob, and down it goes. That's to Quan Blake. Troy Brown in transition. Troy Brown to the bucket. Count it. Justice, 26 feet. He's doubled. Brown a corner three. Got it! For Oregon, Pritchard. Elijah Brown.
A minute and a half.
Pocket pass, nicely done. McIntosh, the miss. McIntosh, put back, foul, free throw. Oh, from distance, straight on.
No lead is safe.
Martin driving, kicking. Lawrence's three, got it.
Who actually plays for a team on a given night.
Paul White hits a three. Roll, Paul White. Wooten got up, Wooten.
Kenny Wooten is rebounding slightly out of his area.
Pritchard's open, in tight. Yeah, he does finish. And Oregon at home is going to hold serve. And the Ducks, they have a long road to go to get the NCAA tournament. But this is a nice first step for Dana Altman. And Arizona comes in here. That would be another quadrant one or big win if they can get that one on Saturday. But Doug Gottlieb, this is a start. Oregon goes to 8-7.